Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're stepping into a machine that doesn't just move down the road, it redefines what life on wheels can be. This is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome. And if you think motorhomes are just oversized buses with beds, stay with me, because this one feels more like a rolling 5-star penthouse built on pure American muscle. The first thing that hits you is the presence. The Kenworth T2000 has always been iconic, but in this 2026 luxury motorhome form, it looks absolutely dominant. The long, aerodynamic nose, bold grille, and premium paint finish give it that unstoppable, head-turning attitude. This is not something that blends into traffic. This is something traffic moves out of the way for. Every line feels purposeful. Every detail screams power and prestige. Underneath that bold exterior is where the real confidence comes from. Built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty platform, this motorhome delivers smooth, controlled performance even at highway speeds. The suspension is tuned for comfort, so long journeys feel calm and stable, not tiring. Whether you're cruising through open highways or pulling into a luxury RV park, the T2000 feels solid, quiet, and incredibly composed. Now step inside, because this is where the magic truly begins. The moment you enter the cabin, you forget you're in a motorhome. Premium leather seating, soft ambient lighting, and rich wood or carbon-style finishes surround you. The layout is wide, open, and designed for people who value space and elegance. Every inch feels intentional, from the stitched panels to the seamless integration of technology. The living area feels like a luxury lounge. Large sofas, a smart entertainment system with a massive display, surround sound audio, and smart controls put everything at your fingertips. Whether you're relaxing after a long drive or entertaining guests, this space adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. The windows are large, flooding the interior with natural light during the day, while at night the lighting creates a calm, upscale vibe. The kitchen is fully equipped for real living, not just basic travel. High-end appliances, generous counter space, modern cabinetry, and premium materials make it feel like a designer apartment kitchen on wheels. You can cook full meals comfortably, store everything neatly, and still have space to move around freely. When it's time to rest, the bedroom delivers pure comfort. A large luxury bed, soft textures, smart storage solutions, and a quiet, insulated environment make sleep feel effortless. This isn't just a place to crash, it's a private retreat. The bathroom continues the theme with a modern shower, elegant fixtures, and hotel-level finishing that feels clean, spacious, and refined. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 T2000 Luxury Motorhome. From digital dashboards and driver assist systems to climate control and smart energy management, everything is designed to make long-distance travel easier and safer. You're not just driving, you're commanding a highly advanced mobile living space. What truly sets the Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome apart is how it blends raw trucking heritage with ultra-luxury living. It's built for people who want freedom without compromise, power without sacrificing comfort, and a lifestyle that moves with them. If you enjoyed this deep look into the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you live on the road in something like this? I'll see you in the next one.